Hey everyone, Mr. Steckler here. So here's a video on how to get a document like 1.1, which has already been submitted in Schoology, which you cannot unsubmit because the due date has passed. So how do you get this into your OneNote notebook over here? So here's how. First thing is you're going to go to Schoology. You'll notice that because of that, we're going to have to get into this document through, instead of Schoology, through your OneDrive. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to your OneDrive app, and you're going to go over from your OneDrive app to something called Shared with Me. Under Shared with Me, you'll see all the files that have been shared with you in your class. We have Colleen's using her example over here. So if we wanted to get into document 1.1 over here, what we can do is we could click into this document from your OneDrive and you'll get into it. Now you'll notice you still can't exactly edit this document. It says accessibility mode, immersive reader, open in Word, and then over on the right hand side there's a little ... that says more. We're going to click on more and we're going to download this as a PDF. So upon downloading this as a PDF, we'll click download and this will appear at the bottom bar over here, and we're going to hit this little up arrow and we're going to click show in folder. So this file over here is now right here, and we're going to move this file over to our OneDrive. So in order to do that, we just have to take this file and we're going to drag this over to the OneDrive for Business. And that will allow us to insert this into our OneDrive. So if we click on the OneDrive, it's going to appear right at the bottom. This is not yet organized though, so we're going to take this file and we're going to put it into our 7th grade folder, drag and drop. You can hit OK if anything pops up. And it is now moving that into the folder, and upon moving it into our folder, we can then put it into our Computer App Life folder, Computer App Life 7th grade. So after moving this all the way to the proper spot in our folder, we can close out of our OneDrive, and then we can go back to our OneNote notebook. So in order to add this to our OneNote notebook, we can go to Add a Page, and we can go to Inserts, and we can click where we would want that insert, and we're going to do a PDF printout, file printouts. So file printout, we're going to choose that file. We're going to go over to our OneDrive by starting on this PC and scrolling down to OneDrive, and we're going to go to the folder we saved this in, and in this case this is the Computer App Life folder, and we now have this document 1.1 which we just downloaded as a PDF. We're going to click open, and we can now insert this to get that document into our OneDrive. So even though we could not interact with that file because it has been submitted, we are still able to insert this PDF printout of our documents inside of Microsoft OneNote. So there you have it. This is how you bypass the fact that you cannot get in that document that was originally in Schoology over here that we could really not do anything with. So we can download it, and as soon as it loads, there we go. So we have it now in OneNote, and you can then annotate this even if you've already submitted it, especially that you've submitted it. All right, guys, take care.